Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to draw a triangle with two lines in Word document. For this, you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes and pick the isosceles triangle. And now hold down the shift key and draw it on the canvas. And then you will see that the shape format tab and click on the shape fill and click on no fill. Click on the shape outline and click on the weight and select the 3pt. Now go to the insert, click on the shapes, and now this time in the lines you need to select the straight line and again hold down the shift key and draw a straight line. Go to the shape format, click on the shape outline, click on the weight and select the 3pt. Make a duplicate copy, Ctrl D to duplicate a copy and adjust the distance between first and second line. And now click the triangle, first line, second line, go to the shape outline and select the color to blue, or you can select even red, whatever you want it. And now right click and click on the group and click the group. And now you can move this triangle with two lines anywhere in the world. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.